What if your next job was building the apps you use every day? It starts here. The apps you scroll through, the games you play, the tools that make your life easier, someone built those. And that someone could be you. Android development isn't just a skill, it's your ticket to one of tech's most in-demand careers. With over 2.5 billion Android devices worldwide, companies are desperately seeking qualified developers. At BIT, we've designed our Android development course specifically for beginners and career changers. No prior coding experience? No problem. You'll master Java and Kotlin programming, learn Android Studio inside out, and build your skills in UI/UX design, API integration, and Firebase. What sets us apart? Real projects and 100% job placement assistance. We don't just teach, we prepare you for the industry with resume building, interview coaching, and direct connections to top IT companies. Your journey from app user to app creator begins with a single step. Join BIT today and transform your passion into a profession. Why choose Android development in 2025? The world runs on mobile apps, and Android powers over 70% of smartphones globally. From social media to banking, shopping to entertainment, Android apps are everywhere. The demand for skilled Android developers is skyrocketing, with top companies offering exciting career opportunities and high salaries. Whether you dream of building the next big app or want a stable, future-proof career, Android development is your gateway. BIT's complete Android app development course is designed for everyone, students, freshers, and working professionals. You'll start from scratch and master both Java and Kotlin, the core languages for Android development. Our hands-on approach means you'll work with Android Studio, the industry-standard IDE, and build real apps from day one. You'll dive into UI and UX design, learning how to create beautiful, user-friendly interfaces. Integrate APIs, connect with Firebase for real-time data, and deploy your apps to the Google Play Store. You'll work on live projects that give you real-world experience and a portfolio to impress employers. What truly sets BIT apart is our placement-driven approach. We offer dedicated career counseling to help you identify your strengths and set clear goals. Our team guides you through resume building and interview preparation, so you stand out to employers. With direct placement opportunities at top IT companies, your dream job is within reach. But don't just take our word for it, meet some of our successful graduates. BIT's Android course gave me the confidence and skills to land my first developer job. The hands-on projects and placement support made all the difference. Our alumni now work at leading tech companies building apps used by millions. Ready to unlock your future in tech? Join BIT's Android development course today. Gain job-ready skills, real-world experience, and 100% placement assistance. Visit our website or contact us to start your journey. Don't just learn, build a career that's future-ready.